Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to allow Microsoft Edge to automatically display your preferred language in search result. In today's video, today I'm going to show you how to do that because some of the people who use Microsoft Edge are not very fluent in English and they much prefer seeing their own language when they search in the Microsoft Edge. So today I'm going to teach you how to do that. So the first thing you need to do, open up your Microsoft Edge. Once you're here, click on the three dots on the top right, then click on settings. After clicking on settings, you will be located at your settings and then click on language. After clicking on language, you need to be here at the language. Prefer language website will appear in the first language in the list that they support. So there we go. Just add a list here. For example, I give example of a Tagalog because I'm Filipino. There's no. I think they put okay Filipino. There we go. And a little note. Our language is not Filipino. It is Tagalog. So Filipino is a person or like a person. It's like telling Americans American and not English. So yeah, it's supposed to be Tagalog, not Filipino. And let's go add it. So there we go. So every time I search in Microsoft Edge, it will allow me to see the Morley and with a mix of English in my web search. It will not only show me English words, but also Filipino words. So yeah, there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and a little bit of tip for you guys. You can add as many languages as you want. And to remove these languages, just click on here, then click on remove. There you go. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.